friends, tonight we are having a dinner date. So this is my outfit for our dinner date because the place is kind of formal and cozy. So I decided to wear a dress. The restaurant is 20 minutes away from where we live, so we already here in Orchid House and Winery. This is by Aurora, and I really like their entrance to the restaurant, guys. So this is the interior of the restaurant. This is the reception area, which actually could feel warm and cozy. And they have actually garden here. We will check that out later. And this is what inside. In the restaurant, they can actually accommodate a big group of people. They have big tables and chairs. So this is the garden, guys, before we start eating. While it's still light, so I go out here and check out this garden. They have a beautiful garden here. As you can see, it feels so nature. So this is by the back of the restaurant. They also have a waterfall here. It's nice that they have a water feature in the restaurant. So I ordered a mocktail while Garrett ordered a cocktail for drinks. This is our appetizer, or I order meatball and salad. Garrett ordered a ribeye steak, and I order a steak and fries for our main dish. So overall, I have a great experience with the restaurant.